While a healthy, balanced diet is an important part of eye health, so is protecting your eyes when you're preparing all that food. Cooking with an open flame, hot oil, spices, and sharp objects can all lead to eye injury, so it's important to be aware of risks in the kitchen and how to avoid them. Welcome to OCuSOFT, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 5 kitchen eye injuries. Number 5. Using food instead of ice. There's a lingering myth that raw steak is a good remedy for a black eye. Putting a steak on a black eye does not help it heal. In fact, it's a health hazard. The bacteria and organisms that live on raw meat pose a serious risk of infection to the eyes. Even a frozen bag of vegetables can be contaminated by bacteria present in the freezer. If you need a cold compress for a black eye, use an ice pack or ice cubes wrapped in a clean towel. Number 4. Chemical transfer. Some people may feel silly wearing kitchen gloves while cooking or cleaning up after a meal, but it's worth it to prevent a trip to the emergency room. There are lots of substances that can cause pain, infection, or even blindness if they come in direct contact with the eyes. Bleach, oven cleaners, and other chemical products. Hot grease, cooking oil. If you get oil or a cleaning product in your eyes, flush immediately with water. You can also wash your eyelids and the area surrounding your eyes. Number 3. Handling sharp objects. While preparing meals, we can sometimes find ourselves scrambling to get things done, letting safety precautions we'd normally follow fall by the wayside. This includes being careful with sharp tools in the kitchen. The third most common cause of eye injury is sharp objects such as knives, forks, scissors, and skewers. Always handle these carefully and put them away safely when you're done using them. Number 2. Not washing your hands after handling food. Have you ever accidentally rubbed your eye after handling a hot pepper like a jalapeno? What about an onion? When you're busy cooking, it's easy to accidentally transfer ingredients from your hands to your eyes. Fortunately, this is easily prevented by remembering to give your hands a quick wash with hot, soapy water after preparing foods. It's especially important to wash your hands after handling raw poultry and spicy ingredients, since these can cause infection, burning, and irritation. Before we continue, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get notified of all of our amazing content. Number 1. Slipping in the kitchen. Did you know that the number 1 cause of eye injuries in the US between 2002 and 2011 were falls? Those aged 60 and over are at an even higher risk of falling. To safeguard your kitchen and minimize the risk of falls, make sure that kitchen rugs are firmly secured to the floor or removed entirely. Keep the floor around you tidy and free of clutter. Clean up liquid spills right away. Well, there you have it. Those are our top 5 kitchen eye injuries. What do you think? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Have a good one.